Evals are honestly one of the hardest parts of building AI applications. It's not that you can't run them, it's that it's usually messy, hard to compare, and even harder to iterate. So what we try to do with Respan is make the whole process a lot more systematic. So when I think about an eval pipeline, there are a few pieces that come together. First is just what you're trying to improve. That could be a prompt, a model, or even just a different set of configs. That's the thing you're iterating on. Then you have your data set, which is basically the set of inputs you want to test against. In most cases, this comes from your production data or sometimes a curated test set. After that comes the evaluators, which is where things usually get tricky. Traditionally, you kind of have to choose between using an LLM as a judge, writing some code-based checks, or doing human review. But in reality, most teams end up needing some combination of all three. So instead of forcing you into one option, we made evaluators into workflows. You can route outputs through an LLM, add rule-based checks, and then only send certain cases to human review if they actually need it. For example, if an LLM gives a low score, you can automatically assign the case for someone to look at. Once you have all of that set up, you can run an experiment. An experiment just takes your prompter model, runs it against the dataset, applies your evaluators, and gives you a summary of how it performed. And if you included human review into your evaluator, you'll just want to make sure those are completed so you can see the full picture. Then the really important part is comparison. Instead of looking at results in isolation, you can run another version, maybe a new prompt or a different model, and compare them side by side. That's where you can actually see if something got better, where it improved, and where it might have regressed. And from there, it just becomes a loop. You test, compare, refine, and repeat. The goal is to move away from guessing and actually have a clear, repeatable way to improve your AI system.